what? I'm so excited I have to just dig in. I got my Jeffree Star box. I was so mad I didn't get a chance to get one during Thanksgiving was the last box they had one for Christmas. I was in queue for over an hour, you guys, and it was just a pain in the butt. I learned to, you know, do it different ways next time. So I don't know how, but I only got one box. I got the deluxe box. Box was $100. They had the premium for $60, deluxe for $100, and then or no, premium, I don't remember, but it was 60, 100, and then 140. I wanted to, I totally didn't even have scissors down here. I wanted to get the bigger box, and I'm like, you know what, too many people are gonna get that, so I'm like, I'll just have a better chance of getting the smaller box, or the medium box. You know, I don't want to get my hopes up for nothing. And then I don't know how people do it, but some of you guys get like 3 boxes. I don't even know how to do it. Like, I hurry up and race to the checkouts just to get this one, and I almost, like, you know, I don't even know how I got this that fast. Like, they sell out in like 8 minutes is what he posted online. Sorry, I have a new area, and I don't have an official filming area yet, so I don't have scissors. But this is the box. I don't like to know what I have. I like to be surprised, but a lot of people said this box is very disappointing. So we will see how it is. I don't have a lot of his makeup. I only get his makeup from the mystery boxes, so that's how I get it. But let's just dig in and see what we had. My husband's like, oh yeah, you're not getting your Jeffree Star box today. And I'm like, what? I was so mad at him because it's like he told me that we didn't get it, and then, you know, whatever. So here is the stuff that's in the box. So the first thing I see is a Jeffree Star hat. Now, I am not a hat person, but you know what, if I ever do need a hat, this is kind of cute. You can really smell the whatever they have, but they have this symbol in there, and then there's that. I have a big head, but it's just like, yeah, I'm not a hat person, but you know what, if I ever needed a hat, this is definitely cute. It's girlish. I like it. One thing I'm actually kind of liking is this t-shirt. Now, this is the only box that had the t-shirt in, and I wanted to get the hoodie because I like the sweethearts or the candy hearts, conversation hearts. But there's a t-shirt, which is even better. So they got his symbol right there, and I didn't even know this, but in the back they got the same thing. So this is the same exact thing as the hoodie. These t-shirts are usually like 25 bucks. So I actually like this. Yeah, I do like this. This makes me happy because this is a hoodie I actually wanted to get. So I'm glad I didn't get the hoodie. I wasn't going to spend that money on the hoodie anyways, but I'm glad I got this. One thing, I have a feeling I know what this is, and this is, I'm kind of disappointed in this. If I did kind of see, I stopped reading, but we'll see how it is. Yeah, it is the Jawbreaker palette. Now, I got this one for my Halloween box. I love this palette. I love this palette, you guys. Like, if you saw my Halloween box, I was so excited to get this, but kind of disappointed I got it again. Yeah, I mean, everybody got this in the, I think everybody got this palette in the Halloween box, and it's kind of sad that they're giving them away again. I will definitely use this. It'll take me a while to use it, but kind of disappointed, but you know what? That's okay. I really like this. This is $28 for that palette. So I guess that's all I read. Was I knew 2 things that I was getting, but you know what? I'm not complaining. Oh, one thing I'm actually excited about is straws, you guys. Like, I've always wanted to get his straws. Now, these are the custom green stainless steel straws. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. So, it comes with a brush, and then it comes with 3 of the angled straws, and then 1 of the straight one. I'm pretty excited. We do actually use we use metal straws. The ones that I have are a little bit thicker, but these are perfect. My son will love them. I don't know how much I can't remember how much the straws go for, but I'm actually pretty excited. I've seen him every time he does giveaways, or every time he does these boxes, it's only just 1, but there's 4 in here with a brush. So pretty excited for that. There's another big item. I'm assuming this is probably another palette. We will see. Ooh, 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. Ooh, you guys, like, I'm already excited. Like, yes, I paid $100 for it, but The straws and the hat totally made up for it. And one thing I really like is getting other products other than the lip products. The lip stuff I've gotten in the past is crazy. So here is the packaging of this, and I bet you this is all gold, which I'm not a gold person, but I'm, ooh, those are pretty. These are perfect because I will actually use this for blush. Those are so pretty, you guys, and they shimmer. Let me take the glass off. Look at that. So pretty. We got Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, Legendary, Giza, and Liberace. Love them. I actually like this. I think this is, he did say that there were like 3 items that you can't get. So I think that's what he said. But this is cool. I like this. I really like this. This like makes up for the Jawbreaker palette. And then there is 2 lips in here, and then probably a mirror. Now I heard this mirror is something that he was selling around Halloween time, which is fine with me. I do like his mirrors, you guys. So let's just, I'm just gonna rip the box. Who cares? Who cares? Jennifer, who cares? Okay, ooh, it's just the regular, just white mirror, which is kind of cool with the gold. Like I said, I'm not a gold person, but I do like these mirrors. I can have one at my computer desk when I do my videos now. I like it. I have a black one, and now I have a white one. Really liking it. Yeah, so super cute. Like it, like it, like it. I think those are like, what, 30 bucks or something like that. So we got that. And then the last 2 items, so far we got 8 items, right? Yeah, the last 2 items we got are the lip. So here is the gloss. This one says it's Candy Drip. Now if that what matches this, I'm gonna actually be excited because I love, ooh, no. It won't come out. Oh, you guys. Rip. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a really pretty lip gloss. It says Candy Drip. We're just gonna try it right on, you guys. So Sarah, my son's supposed to be upstairs right now, but he has to be in the video. It smells like frosting. I really like this. This is like one of the first lip products that I can use on a regular basis. I can put that right over my thing. Liking it. Yeah. Okay, so we got that. And then the last item is the Velour Liquid Lipstick. The color is Mystery. So let's see how bold this color really is. Ooh! Wow, I love this color. It just says a mystery. That is really pretty. Let's see what this looks like. I'm just gonna put this on my lips, you guys, because I'm gonna probably love these colors. You know what? I'm looking at my screen and I'm like, you know what? I got a mirror. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing lip gloss underneath it, but I really like it. Let me do a swatch. Okay, so on my lips, it's not as dark because I have like lip balm and then that, but that is what this color looks like. I love it. I actually really love the colors of the lipsticks. It's something I can actually wear. They're not too cool. They're not too bright. I was worried, you guys. I was so worried that people said this box was so disappointing. The only thing I was disappointed in it was the Jawbreaker palette. But you know what? I am not complaining about anything else. Really, 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 really love the lip products. Love them, love them, love them. I was so excited for the t-shirt, you guys. Like, this totally made my day. I really like conversation hearts. I like just black t-shirts. Super cute. You know, it just says, you know, I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved and iconic. So I really like it. I'm super excited. I do like this box. I mean, they did say there's gonna be 3 items in here, I think, that are not available. They're just exclusive for the box, and I know the 24 karat was, and I bet you the 2 of the lip glosses were. So really loving this. Like I said, I paid $100 for this box, and I love it because I know for sure This is $28. I know one of these, I think both of these are $18. The mirror I think is $30. Don't quote me on this. And then the teachers I think are like 25 bucks. The straws, I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I really like this. So I'm excited. I really enjoyed the items that I got. I mean, that is such a pretty color, and it actually goes really well with the shirt that I'm wearing. So yes. Phew, I feel so much better. Like, I'm not a hardcore makeup guru, but I really enjoyed the items that I got, you guys. I was so worried from, like, just watching on Instagram. I try not to see what I got, but just watching, I had like I read 7 people were disappointed in this box, but you know what? I'm not disappointed in it. I mean, yeah, it's a Jawbreaker palette, but you know what? It's got a lot of purples in there, and that's my favorite color. So I will save this for when I am running low on my other colors, because I use that palette all the time. If you guys enjoyed my Jeffree Star unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all another time for another mystery unboxing. See you guys later. Bye-bye.